I'm going to give demonstration on our internship project, that is improving utilization of infrastructure clouds for employee under the guidance of Professor Alam Prabhu sir. And the contents include introduction, task performed, testing, reflections, advantages and disadvantages, applications and conclusion. Before going to introduction, let us see what is IaaS, as our project depends on this IaaS platform. IaaS is a cloud computing platform based model. It was introduced by Oracle in 2012. Formerly it was termed as hardware as a service. Its resources involves server, storage, virtual machine and network, etc. Now let us move to the introduction. This project is to maintain the attendance for the employees and to perform the leave requisition forms electronically. Each and every employee uses their smart card to enter the door. Once the employee scratches his or her smart card, their attendance is to be detected. Here, the user or employee from anywhere can access the internet and request their leave and permission. Next, task performed. Here, there are 4 types of modules: on-demand service, opportunistic user, fraud detection service, and automation and management service. We have worked on on-demand service. On-demand service is a service where user access a resource within interactive time of making the request and make the resource available for an agreed upon period of time. The user can deploy any virtual machine compatible with the system. Here comes the workflow of leave management system. It involves 3 modules: employee module, manager module and admin module. We will see about the employee module. Employee module have 4 jobs. First one, enter leave request. Second one, request status. Third one, manager response. And fourth one, leave cancellation. Firstly, employee can enter leave request for time off using a leave request form. After that, each leave requested can be viewed in real time in request status. Manager's responses can be viewed by employee. He can be viewed from manager for the request leave to be either approved or rejected according to the leave history. After that, he can cancel his leave after manager responses for the employee leave. Employee will send message to manager to cancel leave request. Next, testing. We have done 6 types of testing on this project. First one, unit testing. Second, integration testing, functional testing, system testing and white box and black box testing. Unit testing involves the design of test cases that validate the internal program logic is functioning properly or not, and that program inputs produce valid outputs. Integration testing is a testing which is designed to test integrated in software components to determine if they actually run as one program or not. Functional testing provides systematic demonstrations that functions tested are available as specified by the business and technical requirements, system documentation and user manual. System testing ensures that the entire integrated software system meets the requirements or not. It tests a configuration to ensure known and predictable results. White box testing is a testing in which the software tester has knowledge of the inner workings, structure and language of the software, whereas black box testing is opposite to white box. That is, here tester has no idea of inner working, structure and language of the software, and hence this test is treated as a black box testing. Now let us have a look on advantages and disadvantages. Advantages involves less paperwork, no data loss, accessibility and multiple approval process, real-time information, edits made easy, and easy admin operations. As we are doing all leave requests online, so there is no work of any paper. No data loss means there are always chances of hardware failures or crashes which leads to data loss. But with this leave management system, your data is always secure in the cloud. Even if your devices are destroyed, then also you can access the data again using any computer. Accessibility and multiple approval process lets you access employee attendance records from anywhere. As a result, managers will get leave approval requests through web, mobile, and email. Next, real-time information. This platform empowers managers or supervisors and the HR team to make quick decisions because of the real-time resources availability information. Audits made easy. All the leave records are captured in the system and are available to audit team as and when required. Easy admin operations. Due to an easy to configure leave management software, the admin can complete operations quick. Admin can add, delete users and allocate projects. Disadvantages. First one, unexpected cost. It may require more cost for operating this system. Second one, security risk. Since all the data stores on cloud, there may be chances of data leakages. Now, moving to the applications, this leave management system can be used in organizations, in MNCs and in colleges. Even we can use this in banks. Conclusion. By using shared infrastructure between IaaS cloud providers and an HTC job management system can be highly beneficial to both the IaaS cloud provider and HTC users by increasing the utilization of the cloud infrastructure. Thank you.